turn around and face the ladder. That's the safest way.
Go, Lauren.
And fish over here. Fish are close, Al. Don't wheel anymore. Stop winding. Stop, stop, stop.
Yay, Lauren! Here in the boat.
Right.
And before I know it, they're driving their own boats.
Yeah, they grow.
Funny how that works.
They grow up on you, don't they?
Yeah.
I see some of these kids in these police cars, and I go, "Is he old enough to drive?"
Yeah.
That dolphin guy.
Fish on here, Jim.
Okay. You got two of them on. Actually, you got one on the left rigger also.
That rod right here, sir. Sir, sit down. Pick that rod right next to you. Take it right out of there. What up? Alright, keep your water. Alright, stand up. You come over this way, sir. Come right around on you. Alright, now you're good. You're good. Go ahead.
Let's go around the right.
Flap, flap, flap.
I got it.
Well done, Doc. Well done.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nice. Nice kingfish.
Kingfish.
That's a big one. Somebody got a picture of that. Hang on here. Good job. Ooh, there's our bait.
I want to turn that guy loose, Al. He's awful small. Rigger! Lock that up right there. Lock that up. Lock it up and let it drag and get your kingfish. Okay, wind this one right here, somebody. Wind this. It's got a fish on it right there.